Hi there, welcome back. In the second part of this is the continuation of the SEO automation thing, Google Sheet. So I was explaining the conditions. Now I'll go through the process, how we are doing it and how we are plotting it. So I'll show you now. So there will be a custom menu. You can see it right at the top, which is stating automation. When you'll be using this for the first time, it will be asking you for the authorization, which you can always allow that so that it can run. So I'll show you now. You can see there are some tabs, um columns as anchor assign in the website one, and then competitor also has a column, competitor 2, competitor 3, and so on. So what you need to do, as soon as you will come in, you will join in the sheet, it will give you a control. So it will, these drop downs will be automatically generated, and these drop downs will be considering any of the tab name with the word website or the competition. So these drop downs will be automatically selected, and now filled in, and you have to select the website, which is the main one, and then the competitors at the bottom. So I'll select like this, maybe like I'll show you quickly. You can type in always web, and it will show you the available option. Here I'll type the competition one, or you can do it like this, competition 2 and competition 3. So automatically pulling the values. Currently, as I show you that all the sheets are empty. Now I will go to run the process, so that you will see this chart will get updated, and the table will get, table and charts will get updated dynamically. And as soon the this website sheet is getting filled, see, all they've been completed. Now it will go to the competition one, and then it will process all the process through the for the all the conditions from 9 conditions. It will full the anchor assign whichever the text is fulfilling the criteria. So once all done, it will spit out all the results in here. Those will be automatically plotted as well. You can see it's evaluating the website one, competition and competition two, and I think it's currently evaluating competition two. Once it's all done, it will go through all the selected tabs from this one, and all these. And then yeah, it's done, and you can see the chart has been plotted for the website one against the competition one, two, three, and four. And if there will be more, I've given you few empty column rows as well, so that you can select more. And here is the competitive versus competitive average versus website one, which is the main website you are going to evaluate. So the only thing remaining here is the competition average calculation. So what I've done, I have taken the average of all of these numbers. So if any of the numbers available on the exact match, under exact match, the average will be here. So its average currently is 13. This one average is 1%, 1%, 13%, 0%, because it's all empty, and then 13%, 23. And the color coding are showing that the yellow, orange will be the lowest on the middle part, then the green, dark green on the lower side, and the red side will be on the higher side. I have used exactly the same format of the charts which you just asked me to. You just mentioned at the bottom. Let me show you if I can. Yep. So here are the charts with the same formatting. I have plotted this. So you just need to make sure that if the competitive average calculation is right, then it's all done and out. Okay. What you need to do, I'll request you to make sure that you can go through all the results, and please make sure that the results are okay. If you need any fine tuning or any tweaks, please let me know so that we can make it accordingly. So looking forward for your review, and yep, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Please see this and update me. Thank you.